Q4 is here, and if you're doing the Amazon Influencer Program, that means brands are going to start reaching out to you to make videos for them to get customers to buy their product during the biggest shopping time of the year. And in today's video, I'm going to give you my exact brand spreadsheet, how I keep track of everything, what I collect, and how I use SellerAmp to stay organized. You could literally use this spreadsheet yourself. Let's go sit down and get into the spreadsheet. All right, we are going to pretend that Yeti reached out to me and said they want to do a sponsorship. They did not, but if you are watching Yeti, send me some stuff, we'll work together. So basically this is going to be the page right over here. I set up a spreadsheet. I'll show you exactly how I did that in just a second, but this is going to be the crux of it. So basically Yeti is going to send me this tumbler. We agree on a price. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just scroll down over here, and I'm going to hit this AIL. So this is my brand deal spreadsheet for the Amazon Influencer Program. So this is going to capture all the details that I need to make my video and keep track of some things. So this is what the spreadsheet is going to look like right here. We'll come back to that in just a second, but this is how it was set up. So I'm collecting the export date. One, because I want to know what day the brand deal started, and two, I need to know once they agree, that is the date we said to agree, and I could look to see what I have going on, what I have pending, and also whether or not they shipped the product yet. Some people will agree to a brand deal, then they never ship the product, and I have to know, be like, oh man, we set this up 3 weeks ago, I need to check in with them. So I always do the export date. The product name I always grab because it is super important. When you get something from a brand, you're going to get something that looks exactly like this. It's a little sheet of paper, and this will have the title right over here. So that is what is going to match. It usually matches the listing on Amazon. So if the Yeti sent the thing, this sheet should say this. And the reason this is important is because it might not say Yeti on this piece of paper. It might just be the listing. So I could easily search that in the sheet. The brand, I always like to have that because I could easily refer to that, could search the spreadsheet later. The ASIN, I'm going to be using this later to tag the product when I upload it via Amazon Influencer. I have the Amazon URL. It helps me a lot because when I get the product, I'm going to go to the Amazon URL. I'm going to read about all the Amazon details, see what other people did in their videos, maybe get some ideas, or I just need some details, the size, the weight, the dimensions, that kind of stuff. Next section right here is empty. I'll show you why in a second. And then the buy box price. I always capture the buy box price. I want to know the more expensive the item, I want to do that one first and make a video for that first and work my way down, because obviously the higher amount the product is, the more commission I'm going to make. So this is what this looks like in practicality. So this is a couple brand deals I've done as the time of this date. So this is the date 2 of these started right over here. So I know that I have the item right over here, the brand right over here, the ASIN over there. I'm not gonna kind of dox this kind of stuff right here. This is going to be the Amazon link. So then when we talked about that space, this is going to be where I put the link that I uploaded the video. So I'm going to send this to the brand. So this is my URL video of the Amazon influencer. So I can say, hey brand, guess what? Thanks so much for sending your product. Here is the link to your video. The price is right here. This is great for also Facebook Marketplace. I'm selling a lot of these items. I don't want to click back to Amazon. Usually I'm probably listing between 40 and 50% discount on this price, so it just makes it much easier for me to have this here. And then right over here I got how much I'm charging them, so I want to write this down in this section because you're going to get a lot of Instagram DMs, Facebook messages. You want to capture it exactly when it happens, because a lot of brands are going to send you multiple products and it's really hard to search your Instagram DMs or emails. So I always want to have that right over here. Then this other section here, did they pay me? Yes or no? So everyone has paid. This is their contact info. So you can see these are all Instagram pages. So I like to have that so I could go back. I could literally just click that button. It's going to take me to Instagram and I could send them my message. is everything complete? I do that. This is my Amazon Associates link. So when I post it on YouTube, I collect that. And then this is the shortened link if you're using a program that will help you to link them right to Amazon. So I'll do that and I will post it on YouTube. This is my brand sheet. This is the quickest way I had to do it. If I had to copy and paste all this information by going to this listing, grabbing it, putting in a spreadsheet, it would take me forever. Literally with one click of a button, I get all the information I need. So guys, if you want to learn more about SellerAmp, how I'm using it for the influencer program, or how I've used it for FBA, there will be a link down below to the QuickStart guide, totally free. Don't even need to enter your email address. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.